Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes. So student, I'm back, your maths teacher, and we are here to do maths. Now in today's class, what we are going to do? We are going to do the exercises of chapter 5. So everyone is excited with me? Very nice. So quickly students, take out your books and with your pencil box. Very nice. So before starting the exercises, what we are going to do? We are quickly revise the concepts of chapter 5. So listen to me very carefully students. Our chapter name is How Many? Addition and subtraction of one digit numbers. In this chapter, what we have learned? We have learned how we can add and how we can subtract the numbers. Let's quickly revise the concept, students. So first, we have to understand how we can add the numbers with the help of forward counting. What we do in this, students? In this, if we want to add two numbers just like this, we have to add 5 and 3. So what we have to do? We have to keep the bigger number in our mind and smaller number on our fingers. Let's start doing. We have to add 5 and 3. So what I'm going to do? I'm keeping the bigger number in my mind, that is 5, and the smaller number on my finger. Let's start addition. 5, 6, 7, 8. So what I'm getting? I'm getting a 8 for this. So we have to write 8 over here. So when we have to add the numbers on forward counting, what we are going to do? We are keeping the bigger number in our mind, smaller number on our fingers and start adding them. Everyone is understanding? Very nice, students. Now we are going to understand addition of numbers with the help of a number line. As I told you, whenever we want to add the numbers on number line, first we have to draw a number line. For number line, what we have to do? We have to make a straight line and write the numbers one after another. Just like here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After writing the numbers, what we are going to do? We are simply adding the numbers by forward counting, by doing forward stepping. Just like this. We have to add 2 and 4. So what we are going to do? First, we are coming to the second, that is 2. And after that, we are going to forward, moving forward 4 steps. Doing with me, students? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can say that after moving 4 steps from 2, I am getting a 6 over here. So my answer is 6. So everyone is understanding how we can add numbers with the help of number line? Very nice, students. Now we are going to understand how we can subtract the numbers by crossing them. So as I told you that subtraction is what? Whenever we are taking something from someone. अगर हम क्या कर रहे हैं? कोई चीज किसी से ले रहे हैं. That is subtraction. So in this example, what we have seen that there is a girl whose name is Pihu and she is having 7 guavas with her. After having 7 guavas, she likes guavas a lot. So what she do? She eat 3 guavas. उसने 3 guavas खा लिए तो what we have to do? We have to cross these 3 guavas just like this. Now how many guavas are left with her? Let's start counting, students. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many guavas are left? Total 4 guavas now she is having with her. So how we can write it? We can write it just like this. She is having 7 guavas. Out of the 7 guavas, she is eat 3 guavas. Now how many guavas she is left with her? 4 guavas. Everyone is understanding how we can do the subtraction by crossing them. Very good, students. Now we are going to understand how we can subtract with the help of number line. Just like addition, in the addition what we are going to do? We are moving forward steps. But in subtraction what we are going to do? We are coming to the backward steps. हम क्या करेंगे? Back steps करेंगे. Okay, let's understand with the help of an example. What we have to do in this example, I am having 9 and I have to subtract it by 3. So what I have to do? I have stand on 9 and just moving 3 steps backward from 9. What I am saying? 3 steps backward. So let's do with me. 1, 2, 3. So this is our 3 steps backward with me. So what is the answer? I am getting 6 for this. So we can say that yes, when we have to do subtraction on number line, we have to come back steps. हमें क्या करना होता है? Back steps आना होता है one by one. Okay? So everyone is getting my point? Everyone is understanding how we can do the subtraction on number line? Very good. Now we are doing subtraction by cutting lines. How we can do that? First, let's say we have to subtract 8 by 4. So what we can do? We can simply draw 8 lines just like this. And after making 8 lines, we have to cross 4 lines or subtract 4 lines. So we are cancelling the 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 just like this. After subtracting the 4 lines, now how many lines I am having remaining with me? I am having, let's count with me, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am having 4 lines remains with me. So with the help of number line and with the help of drawing lines, we can also subtract the numbers. Everyone is understanding? Very good, students. Now we are going to do some questions. So everyone take out your pencils and start doing with me. First we have to read the question. Show the steps on the number line and write the answer in the box. What we have to do, students? We have to add these two numbers on number lines. Let's start doing with me. First, we have to stand on 2. So this is our 2. Now, how many steps we have to go forward? 6 steps. Let's start doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after moving 6 steps forward, what I am getting, students? I am getting a 8. So what we have to do? We have to write the 8 in the blank space. Everyone should write 8. Everyone did this? Very good, students. Let's move to the second question. What we have to do? Color the beads in the string as per the numbers given below and find the total numbers of colored beads. Now what we have to do? We have to color the beads according to the number. After that, we have to count the total number of colored beads. Let's start doing, students. First, this is 3. They have written 3. We have to color 3 beads. So 3 beads are already colored for us. These are in the blue color. Now how many beads we have to color? We have to color now 4 beads. So first select a color. Let's see, I'm selecting yellow color for this. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to color 4 yellow beads. Let's start doing, students. This is our first yellow color bead. Let's quickly fill it just like I'm doing. First, what you have to do, students, we have to make an outline and after that start filling. This is our second yellow bead. After that, this is our third yellow bead. And this is our fourth yellow bead. You can select any other color of your choice. I like yellow color, so I am selecting the yellow color. Now students, they were asking us how many total colored beads we are having. Let's start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many colored beads total we are having? We are having 7 colored beads. So what we have to do? We have to write a 7 for this. Everyone did this? Very good. Now moving to the next one. Hop and find the sum. What we have to do? We have to hop. Hop means we have to jump and find the sum. So what we have to do? First we have to hop to 3. So there is a boy who is hopping from 1 to 3. After 3, what they were saying, we have to hop 2 more. We have to make 2 more numbers jumps. Let's do with me. This is our 1 and 2. So what is our answer? We are coming at number 5. So what we have to do? We have to write the number 5 in the blank circle with the help of a hopping numbers. Everyone is understanding how to do this? Very good, students. Let's do the next one. Now read the question with me. The first one is, tell how many altogether, fill in the blanks. Now what we have to do? We have to count them. There is a paper and there are pencils also. Now we have to count how many pencils altogether we are having. On the first paper, count the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are having 4 pencils. So 4 is written for us. Now, along with how many pencils we are having? 1, 2, 3. So we are also having 3 pencils with us. Now all together it makes how many pencils? Let's start counting, students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write 7 pencils altogether. How many total altogether we having pencils? 7 pencils. So we have to write 7 in the blank space also. Everyone did this? Very good, students. Now what we have to do? Read the question, add and match the following. We have to add the numbers and match them. Let's start doing with me. First, we have to add 6 and 3. So what I told you, you have to keep the bigger number in your mind and smaller number on your finger. Let's start addition. 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to make a line with our pencils just like this. Everyone did this? Now moving to the second one. This is 1 plus 4. So we have to keep 4 in our mind and 1 on our finger. 4 and 1, 5. So I'm getting a 5. Where is 5? Making a line just like this. Moving to the next one. 0 plus 6. 0 is nothing. So if I am adding 6 to nothing, I am getting 6. So what we have to do? We have to match it with 6. Just like this. Now the next one is 5 add 2. What we have to do? We have to keep the bigger number in our mind and the smaller number on our fingers. Let's start addition. 5, 6, 7. What I'm getting? 7. So we have to match it with 7 just like this. After doing this, we have to move to the next column. Again start addition. Now for the first one, what is this? 4 plus 2. So 4 in our mind and 2 on finger. 4, 5, 6. What I'm getting? 6. Let's start matching with 6. Just like this. Okay, or you can make the arrow on the other side also. So what I'm doing? After matching it, you have to make the arrow like this. Now the second one is 3 add 4. So 4 in our mind, 3 on fingers, 4, 5, 6, 7. What I am getting? 7. So let's start matching with 7. 7 is here and start matching like this. The next one is done for you. 5 add 4. 5 in our mind, 4 on fingers, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what I am getting? 9 for this. So we have to match 9 with this. Now our next is 3 add 4. So what we have to do? We have to make 3 in our mind and 2 on in fingers. 3, 4, 5. What I'm getting? 5. So we have to match 5 with this. 5 is here and we have to match it like this. Everyone did this? Very good, students. Moving to the next set of exercises. Addition story. Now we have to add with the help of the story given here. Let's start doing. I had 3 balloons. कितने balloons थे मेरे पास? I am having 3 balloons. Ruby gave me 3 more. और रूबी ने कितने और दे दिए मुझे? 3 और दे दिए रूबी ने. Now I got dash balloons in all. मेरे पास total कितने balloons हो गए? I have 3 balloons with me and 3 balloons मुझे किसने दिए थे? रूबी ने दिए थे. In all, how many balloons I am having? 3 in mine. 3 Ruby is given. 3, 4, 5, 6. How many total balloons I am having with me? 6 balloons now. So what we have to do? We have to write 6 in the blank space and 6 is also here. Everyone did this? Very good, students. Moving to the next one. There were 2 butterflies on one leaf. How many butterflies are there on one leaf? 2 butterflies. We can count them also. 1, 2 and 3 on the other. On 3 butterflies on the other leaf. 1, 2, 3. Now what they were asking? There are dash butterflies in all. Total how many butterflies on these 2 leaves? We can add them. Let's start doing with me. We have 2 add 3. 2 butterflies on one leaf, 3 butterflies on the other leaf. So what we have to do? 3 in our mind and 2 on the fingers. 3, 4, 5. So how many butterflies we are having? We are having 5 butterflies with us. Or we can do by counting the butterflies from here also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many butterflies we are having, students? 5 butterflies in all. Everyone is understanding? Very good. Let's do the next exercise. We have to fill in the circle. Now we have to count in the picture how many butterflies we are having. Let's start counting with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can write 5 for this. How many butterflies we are having? 5 butterflies. Now what is happening? Dash flew away. कितनी butterflies उड़ गई? Let's see. 1, 2. 2 butterflies are flew away. So we have to write 2 in the circle. Now moving to the next one. Dash are left. Up 2 butterflies are flew away. Then how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So how many butterflies are left? 3 are left. Everyone did this? Very good, students. Let's do the next one. Cross out to subtract and find the answer. What we have to do? We have to subtract them by crossing out. Let's start doing with the first one. We have 7 capsicums and we have to cross 5. Let's start doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many are left? 1, 2. So we have to write 2 over here. Everyone did this? Moving to the next one. We are having how many flowers? 5 flowers. Out of the 5 flowers, what we have to do? We have to cross 2. 1, 2, just like this. Now how many flowers I am having left with me? 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 in the blank circle. Now moving to the next one. In this picture, we are having yummy yummy ice creams. Now out of 9 ice creams, we have to cross 6 ice creams. Let's start doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After crossing 6 ice creams, now we have to count how many ice creams are left, students. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 in the blank circle. Everyone did this? Very nice, students. Moving to the next one, what we have to do? We have to separate the numbers on the number line. We have to separate the numbers with the help of number lines. Now with the help of number line, when we are going to separate, what we are going to do? We are doing the backward steps. We are doing the backward counting. Let's start doing. First, we have to stand on 5. And we have to subtract 4. Let's do the backward counting by 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am standing at which place? 1. So my answer will be 1. Everyone do this with me? Very good. Moving to the next one. What we have to do? We have to subtract 7 by 2. So first we have to stand on 7. And after that, we have to move 2 steps backward. Let's do with me, students. 1, 2. So I'm standing at which number? 5. So after subtracting 7 by 2, what I'm getting, students? I'm getting a 5. So you have to write 5 in the blank circle. Everyone did this? Very good, students. Let's do the next one. What we have to do? Subtract by crossing out. What we have to do? We have to subtract with the help of crossing them. So first we have to make the 9 lines. Let's do with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of these 9 lines, how many we have to cross? We have to cross 6 lines. Start doing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After crossing 6 lines, how many I am having left? 3. 1, 2, 3. So we have to write 3 over here. Everyone is understanding? Let's do the second one. Now we have to draw 7 lines. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out of these 7 lines, we have to cross 2 lines. 1, 2, just like this. After crossing 2 lines, count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write 5. Moving to the third one, we have to draw how many lines? 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of these 8 lines, we have to cross 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like this. And now count the remaining one. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to write a 4 over here. Everyone did with me? Very good, student. Let's do the next one. In the next one, what we have to do? We have to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6 lines, we have to cut 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many lines are left with me? Just one. Now, moving to the next one. I am having 5 lines. So, first we are going to draw 5 lines just like this. Now, cross only one line. How many lines I am left with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am going to write 4 for this. Moving to the next one. Now what we have to do? We have to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now how many lines we have to cancel? 0 line. That means we don't need to cross any line. Now how many lines are left? 6 lines. So everyone is understanding how we are going to do the subtraction by crossing out the lines? Very good, students. Let's do the next one. Now in the next one, we have to read a story. Let's start read with me. There were 6 ducks in the pond. How many ducks are there in the pond? 6 ducks, as you can see in the picture. And what happens? 2 ducks came out of the pond. How many ducks are came out? 2 ducks. दोनों ducks जो थी वो क्या आ गई? पॉन्ड से बाहर आ गई. Now, how many ducks are left in the pond? अब pond के अंदर कितनी ducks बची हैं? These are the ducks left in the pond. So what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. Just like this. We have to subtract 6 by 2. So first we have to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of these 6 lines, we have to cross 2 lines. 1, 2. Now how many lines I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see how many ducks we can have in the pond, students? 4 ducks. Let's count also 1, 2, 3, 4. So with this, you can also do this. By subtracting the lines, by crossing the lines, or by counting the ducks in the pond also. Everyone did this? Let's do the next one. Now in the next one, what we have to do? We have to solve this puzzle. Let's start doing with me, students. In the first line, what we have to do? What we can add to 3, so I get a 4. I am having 4. और मैं 3 में क्या ऐड करूं कि मुझे 4 मिल जाए? This is 3. What I have to add? Only 1. So what I am going to do? We have to write 1 in this blank box. Everyone is understanding how the ma'am is doing? Very good. Now, moving to the next one, what we have to do? 0 add 4. What we have to do? We have to add 0 with 4. तो 0 तो कुछ भी नहीं होता. So we have only getting 4 here. So what I am going to do? We have to write 4 for this. Now moving to the next one. 2 add 4. So we have to keep 4 in our mind and 2 on fingers. 4, 5, 6. What I am getting? 6 for that. So we have to write 6 in this blank box. Everyone did this? Now our just 1 is left. We have to add 0 में क्या add करना है that you will get a 9 for this. So if I am having 0 with me and 9 also with me, तो 0 में मैं क्या add करूँ क्या I am getting a 9? I have to add all 9. We have to add 9. 0 में हम क्या add करेंगे? We are going to add 9. So we have to write 9 in this blank space. Everyone is understanding how we are doing this? Let's do the second one also. Now I am having 5 with me. And what should I add in 5? So I will get a 7. I am having 5 with me. और मैं क्या और add करूँ कि मुझे 7 मिल जाए? I have to add only this two, 1 and 2. So what I am going to do over here? I am writing 2. Let's do the next one. Now I am having 7 with me. What should I add in 7? So I get a 8. 7 में मैं क्या add करूँ so that I will get a 8 for this? I am having 8. Now मेरे पास 7 तो है 5, 6, 7. अब मैं 7 में क्या और add करूँ? I will make a 8. I have to add just 1. So what we have to do? You have to write just 1 over here. Now after this, you have to add 3, add 1. So 3 in mind, 1 on finger, 3 plus 1, 4. So you have to write 4 over here. After that, 7 add 1. We have already did this. 4 add 4. 4 in mind, 4 in fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much I am getting? I am having a 8. So you have to write 8 for this. Now after this, 8 add 1. What I get? 8 in mind, 1 in fingers, 8 plus 1, 9. So you have to write 9 for this. Everyone did this? Moving to the next one. What we have to do? What should I am adding to 5 to make it a 10? मैं 5 में क्या ऐड करूं कि वो 10 बन जाए? I am having 5 with me और मुझे 10 बनाना है इसको तो कितना और ऐड करना पड़ेगा 1 2 3 4 5 how much I have to add I have to add 5 more so what should I have to do I have to add 5 over here similarly again I have to make a 10 और मेरे पास कितने हैं 7 हैं तो लेट्स चेक हमें कितनी और जरूरत पड़ेगी 5 6 7 ये हमारे पास हैं how much we have to make it 10 1 2 3 so I have to add only 3 for that so you have to write 3 for that now what should I am adding to 10 to 2 so I will get a 10 अब मैं 2 में क्या ऐड करूं कि मुझे क्या मिल जाए 10 मिल जाए लेट्स चेक दिस इज 10 2 मेरे पास है now how much I have to add 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 how many I have to add I have to add 8 so we have to write 8 in the blank circle now the last one we have I am having 6 with me now how much I have to add let's see this is 10 5 and 6 this is I have already how much I have to make it add to make it 10 1 2 3 4 so what should I have to add I have to add 4 so I am writing 4 over here everyone is able to understand how we are going to solve this exercise very nice students let's do the last one in this what we have to do we have to triple match them now it is 2 add 4 whenever we are going to add 2 and 4 what it get 4 plus 2 4 5 6 what I am getting 6 with me So let's see which picture is having 6. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ducks. No. This is, let's see how many cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to match with this all. Okay. Let's do the next one. 9 minus 1. If I am having 9 objects and I am subtracting one object. Let's see in which picture I can do this. I am having 9 objects with me and I am subtracting just one, just cancelling this one. How many I am left with me? 5, 6, 7, 8. How many I am having with me? 8. Let's see which picture having 8 objects. Let's start counting with these pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are 7, but we want 8. Let's start counting the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These are also 9. We want the 8. Let's start counting these flies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these flies are 8. So we have to match with this. Everyone is understanding how we are going to do this? Let's do the next one. 1 plus 3. 3 in mind, 1 add 4. Let's start counting. Which figure having 4? The duck. Start counting with duck. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to match with the ducks. Okay. Now the next one is 8 subtract 3. Now I am having how many objects? 8 objects. Let's quickly draw on the fingers. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have to subtract 3. 1, 2, 3. How many I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to match with the 5 one. Let's start counting with the butterflies. Butterflies are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to match it with the butterflies. Let's do the next one. 3 add 4. 4 in mind, 3 on fingers, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have to match with it 7. So we have counted the pins. Let's start counting the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what I am going to do, I am matching it with the pins. Now the next one is 7 add 2. 7 in mind, 2 on fingers, 7, 8, 9. We have to match it with 9. Let's start counting with the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So pencils are 9. So what I am going to do, I am matching it with the pencils. Now the next one is 7 minus 5. I have how many objects? 7 objects. Let's draw 7 objects. And we have to cancel how many objects? 5 objects. Let's cancel 5 objects. Now how many I have left? 1, 2. So we have to match it with 2 objects. Only fishes are left and these are 2. So we have to match it with this. Everyone did this? Now we are going to do the next set of column exercises. The first one is 9 subtract 2. 9 subtract 2 says means we have to make 9 objects first. And how many we have to subtract? We have to subtract only 2 objects. 1, 2. How many are left? 5 in this hand, 6, 7. So we have to match it with the 7 one. Let's check which object is having the 7 objects. Let's start with the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to match it with the pins. Okay. Let's do the next one. 5 subtract 0. I am having 5 and I have to subtract 0. Means nothing. So what I have left? 5 with me. Let's start check which object having 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to match with it butterflies. Now our next is 3 subtract 1. I am having 3 objects with me. If I am subtracting 1, how many I have left? 2. Let's start matching with the 2 objects. The fishes are 2. So what we have to go? We have to match it with the fish. Okay. Now moving to the next one. 5 add 4. So 5 in mind, 4 on fingers. Start counting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to match it with 9. Where is 9? Pencils are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to match it with the pencils. Now moving to the next one. 9 minus 3. I am having 9 objects with me. Let's draw the 9 objects and cancel the 3. 1, 2, 3. How many I have left? 5 and 1, 6. So we have to match it with the 6. Let's start counting the cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cups are 6. So we have to match it with the cups. Just like this. The next is 2 add 6. 6 in mind, 2 on fingers, 6, 7, 8. So we have to match it with 8. Let's see which is 8. The flies are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to match it with the flies. The next one is 6 minus 2. We have to make 6 objects and minus separate 2 objects. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to match it with the 4 objects. Let's start counting. Ducks are 4. So we have to make a match with the duck. Everyone did this? Very good, students. So with this, students, we have completed our chapter 5 exercises. Now, till then, in the next class, we are going to start our next chapter. Till then, everyone, take care. Bye bye, students.